Chapter 32, Perimeter and Area of Plane Figures. So first, introduction. In mensuration, we deal with measurements of length, area, volume, surface area, etc. Actually, knowledge of mensuration and measurement is of great use in our day-to-day life. Uh, Especially when we are buying cloth for shirts, then a plot of land by area, then oil, milk, petrol, these all. Okay, so for that we should know about measurements of length, area, volume, and many more. Then closed figure is given. You know very well about closed figure. This is your closed figure. This is also your closed figure. Again a closed figure. Okay, then this is your closed figure. So these are closed figures. Clear? Any geometrical plane figure bounded by lines or curves is called a plane closed figure. As you can see, we are having here some closed figures. Now our next topic is reason. So the part of the plane enclosed by this figure is as the interior of the figure. Okay, interior part is your region. For example, this interior part, okay, this interior part is your region. So this red color, this is your interior. Okay, then this interior part is your region. Next topic is concept of perimeter. Concept of perimeter. This is our triangle and one square, okay, and one parallelogram. So P, Q, R, A, B, C, D. P, Q, R, S. So we are having here a triangle, a square, and a parallelogram. Okay. So in each case, if we want to calculate the perimeter, actually perimeter means what? Perimeter means sum of all sides. So for this triangle, if we want to calculate perimeter, so perimeter will be equals to what? PQ plus QR plus RP. That means let's suppose यहाँ पे कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग है, ठीक है, ये ग्राउंड है, समझ लो ट्रायंगुलर ग्राउंड है. अब वो मॉर्निंग वॉक कर रहा है, तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करता है. अगर इस तरफ आ रहा है तो ये डिस्टेंस पी क्यू उसने कवर किया. फिर क्यू से वो इस तरफ जा रहा है तो उसने ये डिस्टेंस कवर किया, ठीक है. फिर वो आर के पास पहुँच के सीधा यहाँ जा रहा है, वापस उसी पोजीशन पे जहाँ से उसने स्टार्ट किया था. तो ये कंप्लीट जो उसने राउंड दिया तीनों साइड्स पे, ये क्या हो गया उस ट्रायंगल का पेरीमीटर. So perimeter is nothing but sum of sides. The same for square and parallelogram also. For square AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Then for parallelogram PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Okay. Then next is unit of perimeter. Generally for length we are having units meter, centimeter, in questions, na? And you know about conversion. already I've studied in class 4th and 5th. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, हेक्टोमीटर, किलोमीटर, मिली सेंटी डेसी मीटर डेका हेक्टा किलोमीटर. सो किलोमीटर जो है वो सबसे बिगर यूनिट है लेंथ में मेज़र करने के लिए, और मिलीमीटर जो है वो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट है इस कंपैरिजन के लिए. सो अगर बिगर से स्मॉलर आते हैं तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, और स्मॉलर से बिगर में जब हम जाते हैं तब हम क्या करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, if you are having 5 meter and 50 centimeter and we want to convert this in meter, तो ये तो ऑलरेडी मीटर में, सो ये 5 एज इट इज़ प्लस 50 सेंटीमीटर है. नाउ सेंटीमीटर टू मीटर वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट. सो स्मॉलर टू बिगर मीन्स डिवाइड. तो सेंटीमीटर से डेसीमीटर आया तो 10, तो डेसीमीटर से मीटर आया तो 10, तो 10 और 10 100. दैट मीन्स वी विल डिवाइड 50 by 100. 0 0, so from there you can write 0.5, so this is 0.5, so you can write 5.5 meter. Okay, so this is your conversion of different units. Okay, then what about perimeter of different shapes, for rectangle, for squares? Okay, so starting from the rectangle. So first is, you know very well about rectangle, already explained you in last lecture for chapter number 27. So let this is rectangle A B C D, and you know very well that in rectangle opposite sides are equal, means AB जो है वो DC के equal होगा और AD जो है वो BC के equal होगा. This is the property of rectangle. And area of rectangle is very easy. This is length and this one is breadth. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, then what about perimeter of rectangle? So as I explained you now, this is length means opposite side is also length. This is breadth means this opposite side is also breadth. ये DC length है तो AB भी length है, BC अगर breadth है तो AD भी breadth है. So perimeter means what? Sum of sides. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Sum of sides, ये perimeter है. AB की वैल्यू कितनी है? AB's length, so write L. BC की वैल्यू है breadth मतलब B, फिर ये L plus B. So L plus L, 2L plus B plus B, 2B. So this is your formula for rectangle. Perimeter equals to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. दोनों में 2 कॉमन है, सो हम ऐसे लिखते हैं 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. If you are going to use this formula, so you will get the same answer as compared to this formula. Okay, so this is the perimeter of rectangle. Then what about square? In square all sides are equal. In square all sides are equal. Okay, so that means PQRS if square, so PQ will be equals to QR will be equals to RS will be equals to SP. PQ equals to QR, then equals to RS equals to SP. All the sides are equal. So area of square, this is our side. In rectangle we used to write length and breadth, but in square we used to write side. So this is your side, again this is your side, this is your side. So area of square is side into side. This is the formula for calculating area of square. Then what about the perimeter of square? The same, sum of all sides, PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. As you can see, we are having here 4 sides. We are having here 4 sides. So side plus side plus side plus side. So 4 side. So perimeter of square is 4 into side. Okay. Our next diagram is triangle. What about perimeter of triangle? The same. For example, triangle PQR you are having here. So area of triangle, actually area of triangle we are having 1 by 2 base into height, but area of triangle we are calculating on different basis. Okay, that we will study later in class 7th. And what about perimeter? So the perimeter is same again, sum of sides. So perimeter equals to PQ plus QR plus RP. Okay, so from there you will get required answer. Then if you are having isosceles triangle, as you know in isosceles triangle all the sides are equal. So let this side is x, so this will be also x. So perimeter is x plus x, so 3x. Okay, means just like perimeter of square is 4 into side, perimeter जो होता है स्क्वायर का 4 into side होता है, क्योंकि ऑल साइड्स इक्वल होती है, सेम होती है. तो perimeter ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल भी ऐसे ही होता है, 3 साइड्स होती हैं, तीनों इक्वल होती हैं, तो 3 into side. Okay, so your introduction part is over now. Then I will explain you questions. Then if you are having shapes of different kinds with the same perimeter, how you can solve that one? So I will explain you in question directly.